Yo. Now, do you love to purchase things online? Well, me myself, I love to purchase things online, especially international purchase. But the downside is our local banks are restricting us with the CBN policies. For those of us in Nigeria, you know how hard it is trying to purchase things online. But what if I tell you there's a way you can actually do that? Now, come closer. Let me show you how. Now, all you have to do is to download the Payday app. Check the link in my bio. You see the link to download the app, or you just comment Payday on the comment section and I will send you my link to download the app. All right. Now, once you download the app, it's a very easy way to register. All you need to register is your BVN. You don't need passport, photograph, or ID card and other stuff. Trust me, it's totally safe. All right. Now, they have very cool features. They have the Visual Mastercard where you can use to purchase thousands of things with no limit. Hey, with no limit. All right. You can, and that's not all. You can actually send, receive in any currency. How cool is that? Now you can transfer from your local bank to your USD or to your euro, depending on the account you are creating. All right, that's very cool. Now you can send money and receive money, purchase things online with your Visual Mastercard. All right, and you can actually save in USD. Now, the cool feature about this thing also that I also like is that they give you an exchange rate, a current exchange rate. Now you have to see this for yourself. For those of you that want to know how you can actually download the app and register, let me show you on this